My name is Lauri Eklin, and I warmly welcome you to this short video presentation about the high-tech metallurgical products and services of SF Metals. More precisely, I will be talking about spray-formed steels, which are superior materials compared to normal cold working, hot working and high-speed steels. In fact, they can cut your tooling and wearing part lifetime costs to half or even less. In many industrial operations such as forging, rolling, die casting, metal extrusion, cutting, grinding, the tooling faces conditions of high impact and wear, and often at elevated temperatures. Toolings made of spray-formed steels can withstand these demanding conditions and extend the overall tooling lifetime over 100% while keeping the costs down. The key to these benefits are the fine-grained structure and the ingeniously economical production process. As an example, here is a comparison between the grain structures of a conventionally produced D2 tool steel and a spray-forming steel of identical chemical composition. As you can see, the spray-formed steel has a much finer grain structure and an excellent carbide morphology, and might even remind you of a powder metallurgically produced steel. Actually, you could say that spray forming is a hybrid between powder metallurgy and conventional casting. As you can see in this illustration, the process starts by melt being poured into a vacuum chamber and atomized by high-velocity gas jets. The atomized melt is then directed to solidify into the form of an ingot, which is subsequently forged and is then ready for final machining into the required products. Even if you're not familiar with different steel production methods, this flowchart helps you understand why spray forming is the most cost-effective route to producing highest quality tool steel. It simply shortcuts a number of process steps the other production methods have to go through. Even with a relatively low daily output, the unit cost remains extremely competitive. So, we have a material which for most practical purposes is equal to a powder metallurgically produced one, but only at a fraction of the cost. Let's have a look at the material itself again. As an example here, we have a comparison of impact toughness for conventional M2 and M35 steels versus a spray-formed steel of an identical chemical composition. The spray-formed steel has 25% higher tensile strength and 50 to 100% higher impact strength than the conventionally produced steels. So, it's time to wrap it up. Our customers have been able to reduce their annual spend on tooling and wearing parts by over 50%. And with our help, you can do the same. For more information, please contact me, and thanks for your time.